What's up, guys? Today I am going to be playing Animal Rivals, but every time I beat a game, every time every time I get a kill, I will switch. I have to, bruh. Hold up, my head. Every time I get a kill, I switch lows. So that's basically me using every every gun, but one by one. So I just be like, I'll just be like, I have to start. Wow, I have to do all the. I will be doing it all the way, and I'll just be grabbing. Every time I get a kill, I have to switch, but one by one. So first, my first low is AR. Oh no, he uses katana. I know he's doing that. I'm cooked. No. Yeah, guys.
Match
I'm
starting.
just cooked. I'm just cooked. All
Round
right.
starting.
Well, I hope you guys support me too. Oh, damn. Oh, I'm good at I'm also good at
Round
AR.
starting.
That's normally my favorite, but oh dang it, it's not going. What, bro? I actually messed up. I messed up. I sold so bad. I sold so bad, man.
Round starting.
Oh, I sold. I'm sold. I'm sold. Bro, it's so hard to be using it like that.
Round starting.
It just goes like instantly. Holy aimbot, man. Holy aimbot.
Round starting.
Holy. Hold up, I forgot something to use. Holy. Whoa. Holy, bro. Wait, what if I just...
Round starting.
What if I just try something like that? Never mind. No, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, at this round, I give up. Whoa, okay. Wait, no. I have to restart. Wait, no, I have to go back. Damn. I sold that so bad. I'm trying to like put out I'm trying to put my view out. So I don't know how many views I have. Wait, what's going on?
Yep, you just want to go into public and do creepy freeze? Yeah.
No,
guys, everybody in here. Join me in the
that
Everybody
game
in
I
here
sold.
is a 6-7.
That game I sold so bad.
I can get a gun. I can get a new gun. Hold on, Rob is getting a new gun.
Every round I beat, I have to switch loadouts. Every round. Yeah. Okay,
Match starting.
we never saw that. We never saw that first match.
Round starting.
Guys, we never saw that first. Alright, let me go.
Round starting.
We never saw. I literally just got. So I'm not that good right now. Holy beans. What if I just... Is there a way I can, like, first push?
Round starting.
Oh, yeah, it's perfect. Bro, I mean, I used to use that loadout. Alright, let me actually... I just got...
Round starting.
Okay. Holy man, Holy man. Holy. Oh, dang it.
Round starting.
I would be playing whatever game you guys say in the comics.
Round starting.
2. Oh my god. Bro, 24/7 everybody always uses shotgun. Ever since this game came out.
Round starting.
I cannot lose, man. Wait, let me
Round starting.
Wait, would I win? Holy, I'm cooked. Holy, let's go. Alright. GG's. You're good. He's so good. Alright, my next
You the ones that are in your loadout?
Okay, good.
Wait, I need to restart all the way. Into AR. Where's
See what's funny? I mean, don't say nothing bad. Just be like,
Where's AR? Dude, where is AR? Dude, am I going past? Oh, no. Come here. Shotgun knocks. Wait, I'm not gonna be using the melees, guys. I'm not. Obviously, I'm not. Obviously, I'm not using melees. I'm gonna call you guys mate for now. Whoa, okay, battle record. I'm kind of cooked because he's those
Match starting.
Kind of good. I'm always the pay to win wins.
Round
best
starting.
lose. Okay, I beamed.
Round starting.
Bro, what? Whoa, holy man. Oh, you guys can literally replay that. Yeah, I know y'all saw that. He was literally aiming behind.
Round
He
starting.
was not aiming at me. Okay. I need to switch to ARs. Bro, I just need the Desert Eagle.
Round starting.
Like how, dude? Bro, it's probably my skin on this. It's probably my skin.
Round starting.
Probably, yeah, it's my skin. Bro, holy. But I'm not actually locking. Let me actually lock in, guys. Let me.
Round starting.
Finally, it get around, dude. Finally. Alright. I
starting.
think I'm still gonna lose. Oh, imagine making a comeback. Imagine me making a comeback. Imagine me
Round
making
starting.
a comeback. Dang it, I'm cooked. Bro. GG's, man. I hope you guys please support me and subscribe though. Hop on like
I'm gonna throw up, bro. I'm dead.
I am
I'm
one
dead, bro. I'm about to throw up.
Let me get in here for that.
No. No way, I'm spending $3.
What rank are you?
Yo, this is off fire.
But yeah.
Wait, what are you?
Wait, show me your little. Is you again? It's you? Please, can I just get the win? Yo, Mike, please, can I just get the win? I'm doing it for a YouTube video.
Match
I'm more
starting.
tired of using this shotgun.
Round starting.
Alright, man.
Round starting. Round starting.
No, please, no. Please don't use AR. So nasty, man. It's so nasty.
Round starting.
Bro, holy. I might as well cheat, but I can't.
Round starting.
Dude, I'm trying to move on to the next weapon. Oh.
Round starting.
Bro, can you just stop spamming AR, bro? It's so spamming AR.
Round starting.
Holy, my control. Bro, stop spamming controller. I mean, stop
Round
spamming
starting.
AR. Holy spam. Holy spam, man. Holy spam. Wait, what if I just...
Jay, bro, I don't want to hear none of this.
Hey, dude, do you think it would be possible to beat a match with a shotgun?
I don't know.
I swear if I get him. Finally, I get something else.
I'm about to get my ass whooped, bro.
Bro, I'm
Hell
not.
yeah.
I'm doing a YouTube video. I'm finna get me. I'm finna lose. I'm doing the video. I have to only use this.
I'm fine.
I'm stuck on this.
Match starting.
Bro, no. I'm probably
Round
cooked.
starting.
Yo,
Levi,
no.
stop. Levi, stop. Get your... I'm stuck so hard. Oh my god.
Finally, somebody's bad. Wait, imagine I can punch with my fist. That would be
Round starting.
Oh my god, why do I keep missing my shotgun shots? Like, so good.
Bro. Please.
Round starting.
Alright, let me actually. Holy, I'm gonna fall. I was about to fall.
You got me low there.
Oh,
Round starting.
let me actually go hard. Bro, can you stop? My foot, nah, bro, I can't. Bro, I'm just gonna use one.
Round starting.
I can't.
I mean, if you're only allowed to use a shotgun, then yeah, of course you're gonna have disadvantages.
Bro, I'm not, man. Yo, guys, I'm just gonna do it one time, guys.
Round starting.
Bro, holy. Bro, can you go to shooting? Go to again. Do this again. Do this again. Do this again, right?
Now.
He's so lucky.
It says 40.
Oh shit. Come over here, Samuel, come over here. Check this.
Check that.
Oh my god, my forehead. Is it like any like green buddy?
Yeah, spicy cat.
Okay.
No, I don't have any more. I only got one. I need,
Bro, I wanna use this so bad.
35 elimination and neon damage.
He has 140 now. He has one.
This. Bro, how?
I'm fucked.
Huh?
I'm fucked, bro. Go.
Bro, get this
I'm
kid.
bacon strips. I'm bacon strips, bro.
Bro, leave this kid, man.
Match starting.
Bro, people are so toxic nowadays.
Round starting.
Okay, at least he's muted. Bro, I can literally tell he's literally screaming.
Round starting.
I can literally tell. I can literally tell. Nah, I'm just gonna keep him mute.
Round starting.
Bro, I've been filming 20 minutes straight.
Round starting.
Holy. Holy, man. Man, this is so, bro, it's so hard with shotgun. If I lose this, I might as, if I lose this,
Round starting.
I might as well skip this. Man, I wish I can.
Round starting.
Bro, this is so hard. Bro, am I moving from my spot? I'm moving from my
Round
spot so
starting.
bad. Bro, can you stop? Dang it. Damn.
Round starting.
Finally, yes, I win. GG's. Ease win. Hey, yo, man. Hey, yo.
Well, yeah,
Bro,
it is
I
fine.
wish my next load is going to
Say lie, bro. Say lie.
crossbow. I'm not using no melees. Crossbow? I'm probably gonna win really quick.
How do you put this stuff on? Hold up. What am I gonna do?
Boom, boom, papa.
Like our aim? I already got the one that I really wanted, so.
Bro, I really want sniper on this. I really want sniper. I wish I had a free sniper. Wish I had a free sniper. I wish I had a free sniper. Bro, I can. Oh, he's a good night. Bro. Oh yeah, tell
Match
me
starting.
what kind of Oculus you guys have. I have an Oculus 3 right now.
Round starting.
I have an Oculus. Are you
Yeah, how do
sure?
you just shoot?
Bro, get me.
You just
Okay, guys.
Round starting.
Oh, let's go. Bro, I'm just gonna leave him on mute. The people that say cussing, I'm just gonna mute, guys.
Round starting.
Talking.
Are you sure I have to hold trigger? Because we're just keep getting tired.
Finally, we'll win the same time. Yo, I'm pretty good. I'm good at crossbow too.
Round starting.
Okay, so I just gotta jump around like I'm on top. Grab it. Oh, dang. Can I please win? I'm new to the game playing on brother.
Bro, no, I'm not letting you win, man. Chill, yo.
Round starting.
I think earlier you were just trash talking.
I was not trash talking.
Bro, I think you were, but I didn't hear you.
I was not trash talking, you stupid black monk.
Bro, we're all monkeys. We're not humans, we're monkeys. Okay. Yo. Oh no, auto shotgun. My biggest fear. My biggest fear, auto shotgun. This thing barely does any damage except in close range. This thing is like, yo, I don't spam, but I'm doing a YouTube video of doing every weapon. This is the only weapon I have. This is the only weapon I have, bro. Oh, I hope you guys like that random loadout
Match starting.
video. That was my first ever video.
Round starting.
Ooh. See, that thing barely does any. See, that thing barely does any damage, guys. Our shotgun is the worst.
Round starting.
But what if I just aim for head? Well, auto shotgun barely does any damage, bro. It barely does. It barely does, man. Oh, shotgun barely do any damage. Hold up, I'm cooked. Okay, finally. Oh, man, this sucks. And when I only use this is when I'm doing spam.
Round starting.
Holy man, you just saw that. What is thing going to disappear? Holy.
Round starting.
Bro, he shot me. Holy. How that killed me? Like, dude, how? Bro, that's.
Round starting.
I'm just gonna. Oh, I wish I could use. I wish I can use this AK with this. I only use this when I'm using AK. Bro, what happens? Keeps
Round
happening.
starting.
I'm trying not to miss no shots. Twitch.
Round starting.
Nah, imagine bro absorbs the bullet. Finally, but GG's, bro. Wait, you're muted? Okay, let's
Bro,
this.
I've less stuff than you pay for this game and I don't.
Alright, it's AK. I'm obviously gonna be going fast. Wait,
Bro, I've
what's
never
after
bought a bundle.
AK?
I haven't played since like
Rocket
the
launcher.
game released.
Do my AP so bad. Holy man. Wait, once it goes to
Oh, so you're not special, bro.
36 minutes, I'll probably end the video. 36. Holy man. Oh, I'm not using auto shotgun no more, man. You're pretty good. Okay. Well, I think I count that as a win. Sorry, guys. I count that as a win. Alright, 6 minutes. I'm low-key good with rocket launcher, too. Rampanger. Rampanger. You know, I forgot what it says. Rampanger. 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 Bro, I don't know what
Match
that's
starting.
called. I forgot.
Round starting.
No, he uses. Bro, he uses that. No. No, he uses that. I guess I'm out to cheat.
Round starting.
Bro, alright, man. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Just this one time, guys. Just this one time. Just this one time, guys.
Round starting.
Just this one game. Guys, just this one thing. Just this one game. Bro, he uses
Round starting.
Eagle. Just this one game, guys.
Round starting.
Holy beam. Left with 2 bullets, didn't miss. Didn't get no katana.
Round starting.
Didn't get. Wait, how are you already on that? Wait, how? Already? That's quick.
Round starting.
Bro, you're such a spammer. You're so a spammer. Such a spammer, bro. I mean, not spammer, you're such a beamer. Yeah, I'm only gonna use everything but what's good for me. And probably my next video will be only me using a basic loadout. Probably.
Oh, were you spending it in work?
I'm trying to get all the way to these.
I said no. And then I said no black.
Holy, I need peace so bad. But I'm not gonna go over it. I need to film this video. I need to film this. Hold on, I'm literally seeing now.
You ready for
Where the guns at, guys? I want to buy a new gun.
Okay.
Alright. An 8-pack. Holy man. Bruh. Bro, why this? Why in Apex? Whatever it's called. I think I got it right.
Match
Yeah, I
starting.
got it right. Why in Apex? Oh.
Round starting.
No, he's a sniper. He's a sniper, bro. Please do not use sniper. I'm not cheating again.
Round
that
starting.
was the only one time I've ever cheated. Bro, what? Stop using sniper, though. Stop using sniper. Stop using
Round starting.
sniper. Bro, I want. Oh, I know my strategy now. I know.
Round starting.
Bro, can you stop stop spamming that, bro? Can you stop spamming?
Round starting.
Bro, you're such a beamer. Stop using sniper, man.
Round starting.
Bro, people are now. I got a little bit I got a little bit of second. I was just gonna. I want to test stuff something with you guys. But like how I understand how good is it, but why do they keep like I understand how good is it? Like what? Dang, I missed that.
What's the lobby code? Or like,
Dang, I missed that. Bro, they're so good with holding them by slip. Like, I understand how good is it, but what? Hold up, I messed up my jump. Bro, I wish I could use Katana and Sniper. But like 74, he went like this. He literally went like he flung up. He missed. He went like this. Like watch me, watch me. Let me try to climb the trees. Climb the trees. What? He went like, but far away. But how? How did he shoot from far away? He just guessed. I know he literally guessed. It has to be. He has to be guessing where to shoot. Or he might. Bro. Holy no. Bro. He literally went here. Like that. Well, you guys bet I can do this. I can do this tower. But I'm using katana, guys. Oh damn. No. Wait, live. does it keep pushing me up? Holy man, I just missed. Bro, let me just... Holy, I forgot. I just forgot I was doing filming. I just forgot. Yo guys, that's where we have it today. And yeah, I hope you guys support me. Bye.